One of the questions that you typically get, brakes are not holding when they are trying to slide tandems on a loaded trailer. One, how do they know that the brakes are not holding?
If they go to slide the tandems and they're actually watching in their mirrors and they can actually see the tires moving on the trailer,
Okay.
That's obviously a good indication that the brakes are not holding to the proper standards.
Okay. So what do I do?
There's a few different things you can do.
Yep.
First off, you want to make sure that air pressure is where it needs to be.
Okay.
You want to make sure that the trailer brakes are set with the truck brakes released.
Yep.
In order to slide the tandems, you can also get from a rolling start. So what I mean by that is slowly pulling the tractor and trailer with both sets of brakes released, and then utilizing the Johnny bar for your trailer brakes in order to maybe crack those tandems loose. They may be rusted. You need to make sure that the pins are fully retracted on the sliders. Otherwise, obviously, it's not going to slide.
Okay.
If we still have issues, then I would suggest sending in your breakdown message for the trailer so we can have someone come out and assist you or get you somewhere to have that looked at. Sometimes they bind.
Okay.
There could be a rust issue on the slider rail. They may need to be lubed. As a driver, they can try that as well.
Okay.
And a WD-40. Tandem slide, it's readily available at all the truck stops, Walmarts, things of that nature. You can also spray the pins in the slider rails themselves to try and get it to break loose.
Awesome. So you also have on your list, make sure locking pins are completely retracted.
That is correct.
And you also have chalk trailer tires, if possible?
Correct. And what is meant by that is you can, if they are available, or drivers have 4x4s with them, they can actually chalk the front of the wheels on the trailer in order to hold the tandem assembly in one position to slide it either forward, and then if you need to back or slide the trailer backwards, obviously you would chalk the back of the tires to get it to crack loose to slide it back, to tuck those tandems up underneath the trailer more.
So let's say I have no experience, which, hey, let's face it, I don't. And when you say a Johnny bar, do most drivers know what a Johnny bar is?
Most drivers do.
Okay.
If they do not, it's that bar that is on your dash. It says trailer brake. You just pull down on that. What it actually does is it applies the trailer brakes only.
Okay.
And leaves the truck brakes released.
Oh, perfect.
Okay. I do want to stress, though, if you are utilizing chalks to slide the tandems, that you be very careful not to run those tires up on top those chalks, because they will cut the tires and blow them out.
That sounds scary.
Not really. Just loud. And expensive. Yes, thank you very much.
Yes.